Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is Fadali and this video is about how can we style links in CSS. Alright, so we have learned about how can we add the links, how can we use the links in HTML course. So this video will be only about how can we style it. Alright, so let's just go to the editor. So first of all, you have to write a link here. In that link element, we have to provide it a URL. Okay, so this is how we write the link, but the idea of this video is to style a link. So for styling a link, you have to go to the style element and add some styling with the help of CSS. So I'm gonna add here okay, I want to style two separate links, so I have to use the classes. All right, so we have the two different links and let me just give it a br. So here we are now, a dot. So we are kind of using the specified class selector red text decoration. I would like to add underline. All right, I think we should go for none right now. And in second example, I would like to style it. Its color would be black, it would be solid, and it would be 2px. Now I have to use this class TWO. It would be 60, and in last I would like to add text decoration. Okay, so this is how you can style a link if you want. In addition to that, there are the 4 different states of a link: unvisited, visited, and hover, and last one is the active. So you can also style each one of these states. So I'm gonna do this with any one of these links. Okay, so I just want to go with the Wikipedia right now, so I just want to delete the first link. So we are only here with the Wikipedia link. Now how can you add the state? You just write the name of the element with the class as you do with the class selector, but with the specified element, and after that you're gonna write the states. Okay, you have to style them in order. First you would style unvisited, then you would go for the visited, then you would go for the hover, and last you would go for the active. For unvisited, you simply just write the link name. Now I have just described the unvisited state of my link. I also want to describe the other states, and now it would be visited, now it would be hover, and in last it would be active. So for the link, I just don't want to change its color because it is just simple. And for visited, I would like to change its color to brown, and brown for the border as well. Okay, if I just visit the link, when your link is visited, its color would be changed to the brown. When the link is not visited, its color would change into black. But for now, I just don't want to change the color of my link for the unvisited state and the visited state, so I just want to keep it to the black color. Now when you hover over the link, what kind of the style your link have? So when I just hover over my link, it doesn't have any style right now. I want to add the background color. Background color will be black, and its text color would be white. Its font weight would be bold. I just don't want to give border color to it right now. This is it, and let me just save it again. Now when I just move my cursor over the link, it is changing its style. This is how you can change the style of the link according to its state. All right, so I think the normal one would be fine with it. Okay, so it is good here. Okay, the last one is active. In active, so how would it look when you just press the button of it? 5 color would be blue, text color would be white. Let me just save it again and see how it works. Okay, so when you hover, it changes its style according to that style that you have given into the hover state. Okay, so when you just press the link, it changes its style according to the active state. Okay, so this is how you can style your link. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.